Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about asset tracking and maintenance, revolutionizing operational efficiency. Let's jump right into it. Asset tracking and maintenance, revolutionizing operational efficiency. In the world of modern maintenance, asset tracking has emerged as a vital strategy for enhancing operational efficiency and ensuring optimal performance. From improving resource utilization to reducing downtime, tracking assets has become an indispensable part of maintenance strategies for businesses across industries. What is asset tracking? Asset tracking involves monitoring and managing an organization's physical assets, such as machinery, equipment, vehicles, and tools, throughout their life cycle. This process typically uses technologies like barcodes, GPS, RFID, radio frequency identification, or IoT, Internet of Things, to provide real-time data on asset location, status, and usage. By integrating asset tracking into maintenance processes, organizations can gain critical insights that drive smarter decision-making and reduce operational inefficiencies. Why is asset tracking important in maintenance? Effective maintenance requires accurate information about assets' condition, location, and availability. Asset tracking provides this information in real time, empowering maintenance teams to 1. Minimize downtime. Unplanned equipment. Failure is a significant challenge for any organization. Asset tracking helps anticipate potential issues by monitoring the condition of equipment. Preventive and predictive maintenance can then be scheduled to avoid disruptions. 2. Enhance resource allocation. Knowing where each asset is located streamlines resource allocation, ensuring that maintenance personnel and tools are directed to the right place at the right time. 3. Optimize maintenance schedules. Tracking usage patterns and operational hours enables more accurate maintenance schedules. This ensures that assets are serviced based on actual wear and tear rather than arbitrary timelines. 4. Improve compliance and safety. Certain industries, such as healthcare and aviation, require strict adherence to compliance and safety standards. Asset tracking ensures timely servicing and inspections, reducing the risk of accidents or regulatory non-compliance. Benefits of asset tracking and maintenance. Cost savings. Timely maintenance prevents costly breakdowns and extends asset lifespan. Data-driven insights. Comprehensive data on asset performance helps identify trends and improve operational strategies. Enhanced accountability. By assigning assets to specific teams or individuals, organizations can reduce misuse and losses. Simplified audits. Automated tracking makes compliance reporting and audits faster and more accurate. How to implement asset tracking in maintenance. Step 1. Identify assets to track. Start by categorizing assets based on their criticality and usage. Focus on high-value or high-risk assets initially. Step 2. Choose the right technology. Select an asset tracking solution that aligns with your organization's needs, such as RFID for warehouses or GPS for mobile equipment. Step 3. Integrate with a maintenance management system. Link your asset tracking solution with a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, to centralize data and automate workflows. Step 4. Train your team. Ensure that maintenance staff are well trained in using the tracking tools and interpreting the data. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Regularly evaluate the system's performance and make adjustments to improve its effectiveness. Future of asset tracking in maintenance. The evolution of technologies like AI and machine learning is set to revolutionize asset tracking further. Predictive analytics, powered by real-time data, will allow organizations to preempt maintenance needs with unprecedented accuracy. Moreover, advancements in IoT and 5G will make asset tracking more seamless, efficient, and accessible. Conclusion: asset tracking is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for organizations aiming to stay competitive in today's fast-paced world. By leveraging modern technologies and integrating asset tracking with maintenance strategies, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance asset reliability. Embracing asset tracking is a step towards smarter, more sustainable maintenance practices that drive long-term success.
Found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.